In this video, we'll see how we can change the default backup command in Netpicker. So whenever you want to run your backups, Netpicker uses show running config by default, but you can actually override this value in the compose file. So here we have the knowledge base for that. First of all, it tells you that the variable belongs to the Kibitzer service. This is the service that uses CopyMiko, the CopyMiko module, to do the backups for you in the application. It has an environment variable. Basically, we have shen v underscore show run, and here you have to put in the vendor name the same way that Netmiko supports it. I mean, the same syntax, the same wording. And here, after the variable definition, you provide the value, which is going to be the actual command you run to get the running configurations, or basically the configurations of your networking device. So there is that. After that, you want to restart Netpicker. There we go. You can also use tags, device tags, basically the same format. After show run, you will specify the device tag, in this case, MikroTik. And the variable is actually different. The variable is shen v underscore tag. So I'm going to go to the compose file. And here I'm going to search for the Kibitzer service. There we go. Now I can add a new command here, a new entry, or I can change one of these and have it in Netpicker and trigger a backup and see the log, see if the command is being executed or not. So actually it is pretty simple. I'm going to change the first one, Nokia underscore SRL. Now, in order for us to be easier to search through logs, I'm going to put something that is more descriptive and obvious. Now, instead of info, because this is the command that shows you the configurations of your Nokia SRL device, and I can change that to something like just to show you. And I can save it. Now, I have to have this device in Netpicker. I've already done that. I've already imported the device. So the only thing I need to do here is restart Netpicker by saying docker compose down and up one more time. So I'm going to give it a minute and come back. So Netpicker is running. The only thing is to go here, the Nokia device, and I will trigger a backup. The backup will fail because the command obviously doesn't exist and not realistic, but I just want to go to the logs both for the API service and the Kibitzer service and see if we have the command just to show you in the logs or not. Now I'm going to say docker logs Kibitzer, and I will open up another basically terminal, and docker logs, this time that would be API. Now here in the API service, I will search for just to show you. It is here, and I can do the same thing here. Search match just to show you. There we go, and we can see that it is using CopyMiko to issue this command and get the configurations. But obviously in this case it'll fail because this command just to show you doesn't exist.